लेकिन मेरे सारे boys and girls are very very smart. They are ready for their class. Yes, we all are ready for the class now. We all are ready for the prayer, ready for the class, and we all are like shining stars. Yes, very good, very good. Okay,
Okay.
we will wait for 30 seconds for all other students to join. Then we'll start with the prayer. Very good.
Good afternoon, Divik.
Good afternoon, Devik. Good afternoon, Arush, Rudransh.
Okay,
Yes.
let's start with the date of today. Today is 6th of January and the day is Wednesday. Today is, look at the picture I have shared in which the date is written in the blue box 6 and the month is January, year is 2021 and the day is Wednesday. So today the date is 6th of January and the day is Wednesday, right? Now everybody, please stand up for the prayer. Very good. Please stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Very good. Yes. Join your hands, close your eyes for the Gayatri Mantra. Let's start. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Shanti 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 Om. Now open your eyes. We will start with thank you God. Thank you God for the world so sweet. Thank you God for the food we eat. Thank you God that the birds are flying. Thank you God for everything. Thank you God. We should say thank you to God every day for what we see, what we have, what we eat, right? Now everybody, it's exercise time. Stand on the floor. Please everyone. My all dear kids, please stand up on the floor. Nobody will stand on the beds or sofa for the exercise, right? Everybody needs to stand up on the floor for some warm up. Yes, so let's start. Let's start with some warm up. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My all babies know counting, right? So you need to count with me. Okay. Now fold your palms. आपको मुट्ठी बनानी है. Yes. Now roll your palms straight. Straight your hands and roll your palms. Straight your hands and roll your palms. Once again, straight your hands and roll your palms. Straight your hands and roll your palms. Open your hands and roll your palms. Very good. Open the hands and roll your palms. Very good. Now once again, straight your hands and roll your palms. Very good. Very good, everyone. Now put your hands on your shoulders again. Yes, roll, roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very nice, very nice. Now open your legs. Open your legs. You need to take your right hand to the right knee, left hand to the left knee. You need to touch your right knee with your right hand, touch your left knee with your left hand. Count with me till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? Now, what you need to do? Open your legs and touch your right feet with your left hand. Touch your left feet with your right hand. Crisscross position. We need to touch the opposites. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very nice. Now straight your hands above your head. Straight your hands above your head. Bend down and touch your toes. Yes, once again. Straight your hands. Yes, above your head. Bend down and touch your toes. Very good. One more time. Straight your hands, bend down and touch your toes. Very good. Now take your right hand to the left side and bend your waist. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good, all of you. Very, very good, my all dear kids. Relax and sit down at your place. Now relax and sit down at your place. Now you need to relax for 10 seconds. We need to do back counting, okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay? Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Very good. Very good, all my dear kids. You all are very nice. Okay. Now,
Yes. Now, all my dear babies, you need to sit straight. You need to sit straight with your arms folded. Very good. Relax for 10 seconds. But first of all, you need to sit very calmly. Everybody is moving like this. Only 2-3 babies are sitting straight. Very good. Everything is okay. Reading, writing, recognition exercise, but we should know how to sit straight, how to sit in a disciplined manner, that we should know now. Very good. Now it is fine. Everybody is sitting straight. Rudransh, you need to sit straight. Yes, very good. I can see everybody now. Good, good babies, very good. Now you please take out your English notebooks, everybody. Yes, over to you, Sangeeta ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon to all my babies. Take out your English notebook. Today we are doing English writing first. Yes, take out your English notebook. Shruti ma'am, please share the screen of letter W, X, Y, and Z.
Yes, ma'am, shared.
Yes. All my babies, today we are doing letter W, X, Y, and Z. First of all, what is the phonic sound of letter W? Phonic sound of letter W is wa. Watch. W, wa, watch. Next letter is X. X is for Xmas tree. And the sound is phonic sound is X. Right? Next is Y. Y phonic sound is ya. Y, ya, yak. And the last one is Z. Z. Zebra. The phonic sound of Z is Z. So quickly take out your English notebook. Yes. Yes, take out your English notebook. Today we are writing letter W. W is for watch. Watch. And watch, W is very easy to write. Standing, slanting, again slanting, makes letter W. Right? Last is, second one is X. X is for Xmas tree. And very easy to make. Two slanting line like a cross makes letter X. Next letter is Y. Y, ya, yarn. Right? We will write Y, slanting, small slanting, and the big slanting from the opposite side. Letter Y. Next is Z. Z, zigzag. Zigzag. Sleeping line, slanting line, again sleeping line, makes letter Z. Z. W, X, Y, Z. You have to write W, X, Y, Z together. Right? W, X, Y, Z. Right? This is a sequence of the alphabet. Sequence W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. Right? Who will tell me the phonic sound of letter W? Phonic sound of letter W is wa. Watch.
Wa. Watch.
Very good, Pehel. Wa. Watch. X. Xmas tree. Y. Yarn. Yak.
Okay, is there any baby who can make X with their hands? Anyone who can make X with their hands? With their fingers or hands? Very good. Yes, Adira, very good. Pehel, very nice. Avyan was very nice. Can we make these alphabets with the help of our fingers? X. Very nice. Good, Savi. Very good. Charvi, very nice. Very good, Avleen Kaur. Very nice, Pahal. Now you can continue with your writing part. Ma'am just wanted to make you have fun also in between writing. Okay. Oh, very nice, Pahal. You have completed your 2 lines. Very nice. Complete your page. Very good, Avleen. You have beautiful handwriting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, my dear. Akshdeep, are you writing?
ये W कैसे बनाई? ये गुड नहीं है, ये देख, ये देख
Sorry.
ऐसे बनाई है ना, इसको थोड़ा फार करो.
Avleen, please mute. Yes, Vedant, are you writing? Vedant and Vedika? Very good, Savi. Very good, Sanchit. You need to write X, Y, Z in your copy. W, X, Y, Z. Yes, Aditi, you need to complete the page. And you need to put 3 lines. आप बहुत इकट्ठा लिख देते हो W, X, Y, Z. It should be at some distance. Rudransh, I want to see you how you are writing. Yes, show me your slate, what you have written. Show me.
Let's put second line.
Okay, you very good standing line. Yeah. Now you make one adjoining sleeping line to make it L.
इधर आओ, चलो मैम क्या बोल रही हैं सुनो.
Okay, Rudransh, you need to mute yourself, beta. Vedant, my good boy, are you writing? Very good, Adira. Good job. Rudransh, very beautiful L you have made. Mama, please give him one candy also once he complete the page. Very good boy.
Okay.
Yes, Shruti ma'am, please share the English copy page.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all my babies, you have to write W, X, Y, Z like this. W, X, Y, and Z. You have to write combined W, X, Y, Z. Yes, all babies doing very good, very nice.
done, ma'am.
Yes, very good,
Very
Avyan.
good, Avyan. Those who are done, they can sit with their hands folded and back straight. Sit like a acha bacha.
Please properly. Then only you can write.
Sit straight. Yes. Everybody's done. We have 2 more minutes to complete. Okay, shall we start with the next thing? Yes?
Yes, all my babies, leave your English notebook. Yes, leave your English notebook. Take out your maths notebook. Take out your
Everybody,
maths
please
notebook.
take out your maths notebook.
Yes, all my babies, take out your maths notebook. Leave your English notebook.
11 to 20 काउंटिंग लिखनी है.
Sabi, please mute.
Yes. So what we are doing today? Today we are doing maths writing 11 to 20. Last we have done 1 to 10. Last we have done 1 to 10. Now today we are doing counting 11 to 20 counting. Right? So quickly take out your maths notebook. Yes. So today we are doing 11 to 20 counting. Right? And always counting right to top to bottom vertically. Right? 1 is 11. We have already done 1 to 10 counting. Right? So write 11. 1, 11. Next, what comes after 11? 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. Next, 1, 3, 13. 11, 12, 13. And what comes after 13? 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. Next, 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. When you are writing and speaking, speak loudly 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And what comes after 15? You have to speak. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. And what comes after 17? 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. Now what comes after 18?
Lovely.
1, 9, 19. And last 2, 0, 20. So what we have done today? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
9, 4 here.
17, 18, 19, 20.
5.
2, 0,
And you know
20.
what? All my
Six,
babies
six,
know.
six. Straight and
Adira, please mute. Yes, all my babies knows if we are able to write 1 to 10, we can write any number. We can write any number of this world if we know 1 to 10. Very good, Avleen Kaur. Savi, it's okay. Be cheerful. Yes, I can see. I can see everybody is writing. Yes, Rudransh, you need to write 1 and 7. Rudransh will show me 1 and 7. Vedant and Vedika, beta, I am not able to see you both. Yes, very nice. Very quietly my babies are writing. Devik, you need to write 1 and 7. Devik will write 1 and 7. 1, 7. After that, 10. Very good. All good babies are writing. Very nice. Very nice, Pahel. Keep it up. It's very easy to write 1 to 20. If we know writing 1 to 10, we can write any number. Good work, Charvi. Very nice. Yes, look at the sheet. Ma'am has shared you how you have to complete your work. Very good work, Savi. Very nice.
Yes,
You
all
need
my
to
babies.
write 11 to 20. The same way you wrote 1 to 10 yesterday. Like that only. Very good. Akshdeep, you need to smile whenever you do your work. Okay? Yes, very nice. Are you all through with this? Have you all completed your work? Have you all completed, Savi? Vedantan, Vedika? Beta, I'm waiting for your slate work. 1, 4, 7, 10. Very nice. Yes, Sanchit, have you completed your work? Arush Pandey has not shown me the work.
Yes, ma'am.
Arush, a bit close, you can show it to me. I'm not able to see your work. A bit close to the screen, beta.
Ma'am, I had made her write 1 to 10 only. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Adira's mother.
Ma'am, I had made her write 1 to 10 today. But she's
No
not-
problem, no problem. Yes, I understand. That is very much fine if she is able to write 1 to 10.
but her strokes are not yet that clear. As in, she writes 2 in a different.
Yes, with practice, ma'am, it will improve with practice. It will improve with
Okay.
practice. Doesn't matter. Only a month ago, she has started writing on paper, na? No problem.
Thank you.
Ma'am, complete.
Yes, show it to me. A bit close to the screen. A bit close to the screen. Yes, very good boy. Very good. Very nice. Yes, now you can use screen. Okay, now the thing is, if we are able to write 1 to 10, if we are not able to write 1 to 10, so what we have to do? We have to start with 1, that is only a standing line, then 4, then 7, then 9, then 10. And then later on, we'll start with 2, 3, 5, 6, and 8. Once we are through with this 1 to 10, we can write any number. Now, Pehel, you can write any number because you know 1 to 10. Very good. Now, all my babies, those who know how to write 1 to 10, 1 to 20, they can write any number. Okay? And later on, maybe next week, I will take one dictation of 1 to 10. जिसमें मैम आपको बोलेंगी write 1 and then you have to write 1. Write 7, then you have to write 7. Okay? Very nice. Rudran, sit properly. Sit bilkul straight. Very good. Now coming again to our theme of the month, which is modes of transport. Modes of transport. Ma'am is talking and everybody is moving like this. No. Sit straight like achhe bache. Everybody sit straight. Back straight with your arms folded. When ma'am is talking, you need to listen carefully. Very good. Very good, Avian. Your arms should be folded. Very good, Devik. Sit straight with your back straight and arms folded like Charvi and Avleen Kaur is sitting. Very nice, Sanchit. Very nice, everyone. Again, I am seeing कि बच्चे ऐसे ऐसे कर रहे हैं. No, I don't want to see you moving like this left and right. Everybody straight. Statue position. Straight. Very nice. गेम खेल रहे हैं, देखते हैं कौन आउट होगा. जो हिल जाएगा वो आउट हो जाएगा. जल्दी से देखो कौन आउट हो रहा है. The one who will move will get out from the game. Okay, Akshdeep, ma'am is talking. You need to sit Very good. Without movement. Yes. These are my good babies. They are sitting straight now. Because we were playing a game, statue game. बेटा हमें discipline में बैठना भी आना चाहिए. Very nice. Good. Very good. Okay. Now one question is for Avyan Bose. Avyan, you need to tell me one air trans. Fine, Aditi. Okay, good girl. Now you mute. Avyan Bose.
जो मोटा भी होता है
Avyan.
हाँ बोलो, नाम बताओ, नाम बताओ.
प्लेन ट्रांसपोर्ट
Please
Say
come
properly.
again, Avyan.
एरोप्लेन ठीक से बोलो,
प्लेन
पूरा बोलो. एरोप्लेन.
एरोप्लेन
Aeroplane. Very good. Now question is for Avleen Kaur. Avleen, water transport. Avleen Kaur, water transport.
बोलो. वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट. ग्रीन पनविका चलती है. जल्दी. बोट. शीप.
boat ship
शिप.
Ship. Very good. Now next is for Vedant. Vedant, one rail transport. One rail transport. Rail transport कौन सा होता है? Okay, tell me one road transport. जो road पे चलता है transport. Scooter or bike. Very nice, very nice. Now everybody, we need to revise modes of transport every day. Nobody will forget it, okay? Now stand up and say goodbye to your friends. Everybody stand up and say goodbye to your friends. Very nice. To your friends and to your ma'am also.